Hello, welcome.
Thank you.
One person?
Yes.
Please sit here.
Okay.
Here is the menu.
Thank you.
Are you ready to order?
Yes. I want a chicken burger.
Do you want a drink?
Yes. Water, please.
Do you want fries?
Yes. Small fries.
Spicy or not spicy?
Not spicy.
Okay, one chicken burger, small fries and water.
Yes, that's correct.
It will be ready in 10 minutes.
Thank you.
Anything else?
No, that's all for now.
Here is your food.
Thank you.
Is everything okay?
Yes, it is very good.
Would you like some dessert?
What do you have?
We have ice cream, cake, and fruit.
I'll have ice cream, please.
One moment, please. Here you go.
Thank you. It's very good.
Would you like the bill?
Yes, please.
The total is $12.
Here is $15. Keep the change.
Thank you.
Bye.
Bye. Have a nice day.
Good evening. Welcome to our bar.
Good evening. Thank you.
Please, have a seat.
Thank you. The bar looks very nice.
I'm happy you like it. Would you like a drink?
Yes, please. What do you recommend?
Do you like something sweet or something strong?
I like something sweet.
Then maybe a cocktail with fruit. Do you like orange or apple?
I like orange.
Perfect. I will make one for you.
Thank you very much.
Here you are. Please enjoy.
It looks beautiful. Thank you.
You are welcome. How is the taste?
It is very good. Sweet and fresh.
I'm glad you like it.
Yes, I like it a lot. You are a good bartender.
Oh, thank you. That makes me happy.
Do you work here every day?
Yes, almost every day. I like this job.
Why do you like it?
Because I meet many people. I talk with them, and I learn new things.
That is nice. You look happy when you talk.
Yes, I enjoy conversations. And you? Do you like talking with people?
Yes, but sometimes I am shy.
You don't look shy now. You look very friendly.
Thank you. Maybe because you are easy to talk to.
I'm happy to hear that. Do you come here often?
No, this is my first time.
Really? I hope you come again.
Maybe I will. The place feels very comfortable.
That is good. I want every guest to feel comfortable.
You are doing a good job.
Thank you. Do you want another drink later?
Maybe yes, but for now this one is perfect.
Take your time. No rush.
Thank you. You are very kind.
And you're a very nice guest.
It is nice to sit here and talk.
Yes, I enjoy our talk too.
Thank you for the drink and the good service.
You are very welcome. I hope you visit again.
Yes, I will come again. Good night.
Good night, and have a wonderful evening.
Hello. Welcome to the hotel.
Hello? Thank you. I have a booking.
Good. What is your name, please?
My name is David Brown.
Thank you, Mr. Brown. One moment, please. Yes, I see your booking. 1 room for 3 nights, correct?
Yes, that is correct.
Great. Here's your room key. Your room is number 305 on the 3rd floor.
Thank you. Is there an elevator?
Yes, the elevator is on the left side.
Perfect.
Breakfast is free from 7 to 10 on the first floor.
Very nice. I like breakfast.
We also have a restaurant for lunch and dinner.
Oh, that is good.
We also have a swimming pool. It's open from 9 in the morning until 8 in the evening.
That is nice. Maybe I will go tomorrow.
Yes, the pool is big and clean. Many guests enjoy it.
Sounds good.
Do you need help with your bag?
No, thank you. I can carry it.
Okay. If you change your mind, please call us.
Sure, thank you. Excuse me. Is there a shop near the hotel?
Yes. There is a small shop 5 minutes from here, next to the park.
Perfect. I need water and some snacks.
You will find them there. Very easy.
Thank you for the information.
If you need anything, please call reception. Just press 0 on your phone.
Okay, that is easy.
You are welcome. Enjoy your stay, Mr. Brown.
Thank you very much. Goodbye.
Goodbye.